everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade whipped cream in less than a minute. Pampered Chef has an amazing product called the whipped cream maker. I'm going to show you how to use that today. While you're here, I hope you'll click the subscribe button, tap on the bell so that you know anytime I add a new video for you to check out. And don't forget to go to theflipflopchef.com and join my recipe community. You can find it at the top of the page. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream in no time. So if you need this for fruit, pancakes, on top of a dessert, on top of your coffee, or for whatever reason, you can eat it with a spoon if you want. You can make it in no time using Pampered Chef's whipped cream maker. So our whipped cream maker is super simple. You're gonna have a cup that you make your whipped cream in. This is a lid to store your whipped cream, but it also doubles as a no-skid gripper for the bottom while you're making the whipped cream. This is what we're gonna use to pump the air into the heavy cream to turn it into whipped cream. You just need 3 simple ingredients. You need powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and heavy whipping cream. So let's go ahead and make this. It's super quick and super easy. So what you want to make sure you do is you don't want to go over that fill line in the whipped cream maker. So what I like to do is I like to add the powdered sugar and the vanilla first, then pour the whipped cream just under that fill line. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to make sure you have a really good vanilla extract. I like using Pampered Chef's double strength vanilla extract, and I always use the full amount. You could cut it in half since it is double strength. It's made with twice as many beans. Vanilla is one of my favorite flavors, so I don't like to skimp on that. This is a seasonal product. It's usually only available October through December, so depending on when you're watching this video, you may or may not be able to purchase that from me. But if you'd like to purchase a whipped cream maker or any of the other products I'm showing you today, I hope you'll reach out to me. As a consultant with Pampered Chef, I do earn commission on the products that I sell, and I would love the opportunity to help you get what you need. So we've got our cream, we have our powdered sugar, and our vanilla. You're gonna put your whipped cream maker together. You're just gonna tighten that. I'll zoom in so you guys can see how this works. So we have our powdered sugar, vanilla, and whipped cream. You want to make sure you pull all the way up and push all the way down when you are whipping your whipped cream, but you want to make sure you do it fast. So you're going to pull up, pull down, pull up, push down for about 20 or 30 seconds. You want to start feeling the tension. You'll even start to hear the difference as it thickens up. It doesn't take very much time at all. Can you guys tell the difference just by looking at it and listening? It's already super thick. All right, check this out. So you have beautiful whipped cream. You can store it directly in this container. So I like to just tap this off a little bit. And then you can flip the lid over if you're not ready to serve it right away. Put the lid on it just like that. And when you're ready, put it in a pretty bowl. Serve it with your ice cream, your dessert, your coffee, fruit, whatever you like. Whipped cream is good on just about anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to use Pampered Chef's whipped cream maker. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and also go to theflipflopchef.com. Join my recipe community, and I'll see you next time. Take care.